In lab 5-7 here, what we're trying to do is we're playing a game to guess a number, 1 through 8. Those are our options. The book is going to have something different, um, but the number is randomly generated. So take note of this right here. This is pretty cool. I'll have to look into this further, but I mean it's basically creating a random number, and then we're going to try and guess it. So this is pretty cool, and it's a lot of fun. So we only have 3 declarations here. And I'll go ahead and declarations. Number. So this is what you're going to, let's see, user number. This is actually, the number right here is what's randomly generated. And then the user number is what you're going to type in to guess. And we're going to check to make sure you still want to play, because it might be tough. Let's say if we had the random number being generated is, anywhere in 50 numbers, you might get tired after a while. But I believe the whole idea of this lab is validating input, and that's very important when you're going to input things. So we're going to start off by asking, do you want to guess a number? Enter yes or no, and we're going to validate that input. So here's, I believe, what they're trying to teach you here. While keep going is not equal to y, and keep going is not equal to n, then it's going to ask you to enter only those and keep going. Now you could actually also, add a condition for like keep going is not equal to the lowercase y and the lowercase n, because that tends to happen. You don't want to hit the shift every time. You just want to hit y or n. But they didn't attach that in the data files, so you don't have to. But just remember, when you go to play the game, make sure you hit a capital Y or N. And so while keep going is yes, now we're going to play the game. And it's already generated that number up here when we started. So it's thinking of a number, you're going to guess it, you're going to enter your input, and it's going to also check now to make sure you're not going out of the range of 1 to 8. You can only enter a number that's between 1 and 8. So if the user number is less than that, or it's greater than that, you can only enter these numbers, try again. Now if the number, so now we're going to check, after we validated the input, now we're going to check to see how you did. Did your number equal the randomly generated number? So if it did, so if user number is equal to number, we're going to assign keep going to no, because we want to say we're stopping the game, you've won. So we're just going to go ahead and declare that. And then it says you're a genius, that's correct, and we end. Else, if you did not guess the number, it's going to say that's not correct, and do you want to play again? So we're going to ask keep going, and we also have to validate that again. So they have to enter either a Y or an N. So you can see how this is, I believe this lab is mainly trying to teach validating inputs. But I'll show you how the game is played. Let me go ahead and show you, like if I hit a lowercase y, only capital. So I could make a condition for that as well up here. Let's go and type that in. Okay, so it's thinking of a number 1 to 8. Let's say 8. Okay. Guess I still want to play. 4. Oh, got it. Oh, that was fast. It took me a lot longer last time. Anyway, it's kind of fun. So that's about it for this problem. Let me make sure. Yeah, that should be it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.